Welcome to the SurplusHub Seller's Guide. In this video, we will show you how easy and convenient it is to list items and sell them through the SurplusHub online marketplace. We'll also show how the transaction dialogues help ensure a safe, transparent and efficient trade for both you and the buyer. In order to put items for sale on the SurplusHub portal, you need to register as a commercial seller. Then click on the large attractive I want to sell button and choose your preferred subscription plan. Fill in all the required fields to complete the registration process. Congratulations! You are now ready to sell. To list an item for sale, navigate to the Listings tab on your user profile dashboard. To make sure the listing is as searchable, clear and attractive as possible, please fill in all the empty registration fields, along with the necessary description to make sure that potential buyers receive enough information to deem the item interesting to buy. You can upload as many pictures as you want, but please make note of the recommended picture sizes and formats in the upload box. Also make sure to photo document any flaws or irregularities with your product. In the bottom box, you can upload any related documents, certifications or similar. Certified and/or verified products are usually easier to sell and get a good price for. Finally, make sure that the active box on the top left is checked in order for the listing to be visible. Press the Create button on the bottom to publish the listing. If the active box is left unchecked, you can still create the listing. It will then be saved as a draft for you to activate later. When a buyer is interested in your product, you will be notified that a new chat has been initiated via email. The chat will be logged and follow the transaction. Through the chat, you will be able to answer any questions the buyer might have about your listing, discuss prices and delivery options, and finalize the agreement. The chat window is the only interaction needed. When a price has been agreed upon, you will receive an option to either accept or reject the buyer's offer. If you reject, the chat dialog will stay open, allowing negotiations to continue and the buyer to make a new offer. If you choose to accept the offer, an order confirmation will be sent to both parties from the SurplusHub system with all the necessary details included. Many sellers choose to demand cash in advance. If you choose to do so, you can now do that using your company's chosen invoice system. Using the chat dialog, you and the buyer can agree on transport and logistics arrangements. You as a seller should inform the buyer when the item is packed and ready for shipping. SurplusHub's commission fee will be invoiced to you directly from SurplusHub International. When selling through SurplusHub, the buyer has the option to use one of our trustworthy and global third-party services. It's simple and efficient. That's how easy it is to sell products on the SurplusHub website. Happy trading!